classic adventure is coming to video.
So exciting.
Walt Disney's 23rd animated masterpiece, The Rescuers.
Adventure. Thrills in 3.
Two pint-sized mice, Bernard and Bianca,
Hurry.
journey deep into the mysterious world of the bayou with their friends Orville
Suffer and sassafras.
and Ebenru to rescue the young orphan girl Penny
Did you hear that, Teddy?
from the evil Madame Medusa. Leonard Maltin calls the rescuers a breath of fresh air.
I'll bet my whiskers on it.
With humor and imagination and heart. And a delightful cast of characters.
Hello, Bianca. Hi, Bernard.
This Thanksgiving, you can own all the adventure
Hang on. Here we go.
of this timeless Disney treasure. Walt Disney's 23rd animated masterpiece, The Rescuers. Coming to video Thanksgiving 1998.
Editions.
Coming soon to video. Disney's newest family classic is heading your way.
Woo, editions.
Featuring the most outrageous villain of all, Cruella de Vil. Glenn Close in Disney's all-new 101 Dalmatians. Rated G. Coming to video 1997.